how to pay Lazada using Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay Lazada using Gcash. First, open your Lazada application on your mobile device. Once inside the app, browse through the wide range of products available and choose the item you wish to purchase using Gcash as your payment method. After choosing your desired product, tap on Buy Now. You can even select the color you prefer before proceeding and then tap on Buy Now again. At this point, you will need to select Gcash as your payment method. Once you've selected Gcash, you'll be prompted to enter your Gcash details, including your mobile number or account ID and any necessary verification codes. Then proceed to place your order to complete the purchase using Gcash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.